arrived at LAX and currently we're waiting for Kim to pick up her bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. The first thing that I saw was palm trees because we don't have palm trees in New York. I always get really excited. Like when I went to Jeju Island in Korea, there were palm trees. That was like the most exciting thing. And yeah, so I'm pretty excited about the palm trees. Anyway, my sister and I are here. And yeah, I gained like 5 pounds before coming here, so that's not good. But anyway, we're gonna go rent our car and then we're gonna go find a place to eat. But today's also July 4th, so it might be packed everywhere. We're gonna decide what to do, and I really need to get my nails done like very badly, so I might do that with Alyssa because Alyssa also broke her nail. Alyssa's one of the girls staying with us. You'll see her later. But anyway, no. Did you guys see our airplane? When we got on the airplane, we found out that well, first of all, for some reason I was like really thinking that we're boarding at 1 o'clock, but we were boarding at 12:20, so we were really late to board and we got updated to first class. But it was a really good experience. They were so nice. Alaska Airlines, very nice. And yeah, we'll see you later when we either rent our car or when we're eating dinner. Hi guys, now we're in the rental car. We have Kim in the back. My sister's also right here. It is a super sunny and beautiful day. We're super excited. We got this super tiny Nissan car, so we don't have to pay a lot of gas, I guess. But anyway, we're off to our Airbnb, but as we're going, we're gonna stop by hopefully like a restaurant. I guess, well, In-N-Out.
Let's go to In-N-Out.
Yeah, we want to go to In-N-Out, but depending on how busy it is, we will. True. Yeah. We're in LA! And the whole time we were like kind of singing, humming Party in the USA like the entire time. By Miley Cyrus, right? We have made it to In-N-Out safely. It was only like 10 minutes away from the rental car place, so it wasn't that bad. Yeah, super excited! We're here waiting for our food and oh my gosh, yo. Like legitimately right after we paid for our meal, I turn around and this family is getting up from this table. So we got this really amazing food right here. Yeah, so we're waiting for food. Got my Coke. Also, if you see my lips, like my lips, a couple days ago when I started my new job, I guess I was really tired. I didn't sleep a lot, so yeah, please don't mind that. We got our food. I got the cheeseburger with fries, well done, and a Coke. And I kind of regret getting it well done because it's kind of like 2 fries, so it's weird. We just parked our little tiny car. Look at our cute little car. We are at Rodeo Drive now, but yeah, bear with us. All of us don't have our best faces or outfits on today, but we didn't want to waste time and just go straight to the Airbnb, so we're gonna chill here for a bit. And this place is kind of like reminds me of like 5th Avenue in New York City. Look at this cute little hill. So a lot of tourists take pictures and I'm gonna be one of them. Wow. My favorite model. Vuitton. We're just walking around Slime. I mean, we're just walking around Rodeo Drive right now, and it is so gorgeous, kind of empty, but really nice to take touristy photos. And everything's closed. Not that we were gonna go in there anyway. But yeah, everything's closed because it's 4th of July. But it's really nice. The weather is really nice. There are not a lot of people, so we're not getting like cramped in here at all. And because it's a holiday, there's also free parking everywhere. Yeah. Kind of want to go to get some dessert, but I don't know. This escalator's not working. Hey guys, we made it to Paul's and Beans. We made it to K-Town. We're eating the dessert that I wanted to eat. We're gonna go to our Airbnb right after this, and I'm running out of battery, so I'll see you later. Bye!